Hey there, Crunchy Fat Clean friends. If you're looking for a long form video of how I deep cleaned a shower with eco-friendly cleaning products, you are in luck. First off, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, follow my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I really appreciate you being here, and let's go. I've been using this product by Bring It On Cleaner. It's a water spot remover, and the magic in it is that it's an oxygenated bleach cleaner. Not a chlorinated bleach, it's an oxygenated bleach. Oxygenated bleach uses hydrogen peroxide to break down stubborn stains or grease or dirt or grime buildup. Oxygenated bleach decomposes down to oxygen in water, so it is very eco-friendly. Better for the environment, your skin, and the surfaces that you're using it on. It's fantastic in the shower or tub for removing soap buildup, dirt, grime, grease. I love it on glass shower doors and tubs. I did dust the shower before I started, which I didn't have in the video, but I always recommend dusting a shower or a tub firsthand to get any dust buildup off before you start spraying it down. And I also did use my Oh Yuck Deep Shower Cleaner Spray to kind of spray down the shower, spray down all the surfaces, because I don't want to start with a dry surface. I want to start with it a little bit damp. And the Oh Yuck Deep Shower Cleaner is awesome at also helping to remove buildup. It's vegan, eco-friendly, and dye-free. I squirted some of the oxygenated bleach on my steel wool cleaning cloth. It's awesome because it does not scratch and it's super easy to wash and reuse. The gritty texture of the cloth helps remove the soap buildup along with the oxygenated bleach. I like to clean the glass shower doors first because I find those take more scrubbing power and more energy. And then after I do the glass shower, I then go around and get the rest of the shower wall, and the bottom is last. And I also like to clean the top of the shower door and in between the shower tracks. For the floor, I did use a brush. Sometimes I use a stainless steel scrubber. Sometimes I use a brush. It all depends on what I had on hand. Give it a good rinse down with hot water. And then I use a squeegee to squeegee off the water off the wall and the glass shower door. And then I finish off the glass shower door with some glass spray and a glass towel. And then dry off the rest of the shower with a towel. Dry off the bottom. And don't forget to also spray your glass cleaner on the outside part of the glass shower door, because sometimes water can splash on it, and then dry that one off as well. It does take some time when you're deep cleaning your shower, but it comes out looking so good. So enjoy watching the rest of the video. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. I'd love to help out. And again, make sure to follow, like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the things so that I can get more views. Follow my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, my Facebook page, and my website, crunchycleaningbyKathy.com. And if you're looking for any of these awesome products, check out my Amazon shop. I have them there as well. Amazon.com/shop/crunchycleaningbyKathy. And if you are a professional cleaner and you're looking for any cleaning documents, business documents, or if you're not a professional cleaner and you're looking for a cleaning checklist, or you're looking for my ebook all about eco cleaning, check out my Etsy, etsy.com/shop/crunchycleanbyKathy. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.